You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid.
Thanks, Mum.
You're welcome.
What's this?
Do you not like it?
Rubbish.
Just try it on, it might be better when it's on. Please,
No.
Tom, just try it on.
It's not even the right size.
I don't understand what's wrong with it.
Oh, it's the wrong size. It just looks awful.
Well, fine. Be ungrateful. Go to your room, I don't want to see you.
Oh, it's rubbish. I hate you. Thanks, Mum.
You're welcome. I really think you'll like it this year.
Oh, cool. It's Blizzard. Oh, all my friends at school have been talking about this.
I know. Joshua has it and he was telling me about it and saying all the kids have it now. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's awesome. Thanks, Mum.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Blizzard. Embrace the storm. Spend £50 and get 10% off your next order.